Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video from us, Westfalia Digital Nomads. Me, Armando from Italy, the American gal inside the van, Ziggy that is around chasing some rabbits, and of course our VW T4 Morg von Germany. In this video I want to share with you our latest upgrade. That means a big 20-liter gas tank for the kitchen and for a hot shower. So if you want to know how we install it, how much it cost and how it works, check this video out. We are in Milano, my hometown, just 5 kilometers from the city center. Look at that. So what I want to chat today and share with you is not only for VW owners, even if you have another van. Well, I would say the first tip that I can give, if you think to do some modification on a VW or to build your own van, don't think to build the perfect van. There's no perfect van. It took 7 years to, do everything that we did now, just to get just a little bit more comfort during your travel. That is never a bad thing. So I would say just start with the basic and then travel, and you will see. I don't want you guys to spend money on things that you will not need. Instead, spend money on things that you will see during your travel that you will need. First of all, let me tell you why we want to install a different gas bottle. What we have usually in the Westfalia is a Campingaz 907. That's the 3 kilo Campingaz bottle. You can find pretty much in all Europe, Italy, in Portugal, Ireland, UK. The price depends on the country. So for example, in Portugal it was cheaper and we pretty much pay between 12 and 15 euros. Spain as well, I think, was around 15 euros. Italy, a little bit more expensive. It goes between 20 and 25 euros. And then UK, 38 pounds. That's a lot of money for 3 liters of gas. If you think about, in UK, it could be around 12 euro per liter. If you buy the gas, the GPL to a GPL station, usually it's between 60, 69, 70, maybe 80 cents per liter. That's a huge difference. The other reason why we want the gas tank is not just because it's cheap, is because also create more space inside the van. So we clean the cabinet under the kitchen before we have all the system with a sort of aluminium capsule that contain the gas bottle, the camping gas. So we remove everything, so we now have a clean space where to put kitchen stuff. As well, I used to travel with 2 extra bottles that usually stay in the back, and that's a lot of space that we have now. And the last reason is because it's really easy to find a GPL station and to fill it. I just fill 10 liters in France. They let me do it. So I put the guns inside, I fill 10 liters, just pressing the button. And we probably have gas now for the next 3 months. So that's the main reason, because I was really tired to give Campingaz a lot of money for just 3 kilo of gas that usually lasts for about 3-4 weeks maximum. And every time you have to find the hardware store or the place that sell the bottom. Not every time they have one that it's filled that you can swap. And well, I think it's already a lot of good reason. So, looking back at the picture that we saw on eBay, you will not even give £10 for that bottle because it was really bad. And it was only the outside. The bottle was working fine. What I did, I used a grinder, I ground it, I put some zinc on it, I put some black spray. With my friend Team Leader, we create the support to hold the tank under the body. Before to do that, of course, we lifted the van, and if you want to know more about how to lift the van, you can check our previous video on how we did it actually. So we use some small piece of steel, bolts and nuts, and we just attach the bottle under the van. I also have another idea, as I have more gas in the van and we're gonna fit these under the van just on the right side of work. So there's the webasto, and just behind there's the perfect place where to fit it, and we can just go up with the hose to get behind the kitchen and to connect it to the kitchen. The good thing is that as we're gonna have more gas, I can even think, as last year we built a shower in the back of the van, I can even think to invest some money and buy a super small gas boiler so we can have hot shower. So the first things, we found this one. I was really lucky, 140 pounds plus 16 pounds for the delivery. You can see it's all rusty, but I'm gonna grind it. So I'm gonna first grind the gas tank, but it's empty, and get to the metal, and then tomorrow we're gonna spray with the anti-rust and then spray with a dark gray or black color, and tomorrow we're gonna fit the gas tank under the van with the help of Tim. So let's first start grinding this baby. If you grind, make sure you have gloves and goggles or a mask, because some parts that can just hit you in the face. We're gonna grind the gas tank, and this is the protection part where it will go like this in order to protect the gas and the connection from anything that you can find under your van while you're driving. So it took a couple hours, but I'm pretty happy about the result. So it's now clean, almost clean from the rust, and then a little bit of zinc on top and some spray. That's it for today. We're gonna leave this one here for the night and wait tomorrow in the afternoon. Tin will come and we're gonna fit it in our T4 Westfalia 1995 1.9 TD.
What I'm thinking is we drop on the we drill a hole through here,
okay,
a hole through here, a hole through here, and a hole through here, and then on the inside.
Say hello to the camera. Hi
hello,
guys.
Camera.
So today we're here with my friend Tim.
Are you filming already?
Yeah, I'm filming. So what we're gonna do, I got the gas tank, 140 quid plus 16 quid to carriage. I grind it, and we're gonna first put it on the van and then take it out and spray with zinc. What was the other one? The stone protect from the stone, and then just a normal satin black spray. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna build some sort of holders like that, or just this part that can goes like that. These are really strong and really heavy, but because this is, I don't know, 20 kilos maybe, even more.
Empty,
and with any shakings on it to be absolutely stable. So let's do the job. So first of all, we need to measure the spacing between the body
and the top of the tank. Gonna be on YouTube.
So what we did, the holes for the bolts were on one side that goes on the gas tank. with bolts and nuts, and we're gonna need also to do it on this side to go like that on these pieces, and these we're gonna cut it for small pieces, and these will hold the gas tank. So that's what we built so far. This will be on the body of the van, so we're gonna make a hole here and put it on the part of the body that comes down, and this will hold the part of the gas tank, the metal part of the gas tank. So this is the work so far. I don't know how much you can see, but here is the way we put it on the body, and we're gonna put these on the other side. And it's how we're gonna fit the gas bottle. So we fitted the gas tank under the van, and now it's time for zinc before. Yep, zinc primer. Then we got some Stone Guard black primer, and then just some satin black. So fresh start this morning. Sun is up, moon is there. Another sunny day here in Cornwall. Yesterday I sprayed the tank with zinc. So what we did yesterday with Tim, we first fit the tank. It's pretty good, it's pretty solid. Today what I'm gonna do, I wanna take down all the parts, grind them, and put some zinc, put some Stone Guard black and some black paint, and then put everything back. I will also make sure that I will put some primer in the parts of the body where I make holes in order to fit, because I don't want any rust to get there. So now this is ready with the first zinc, and we can do the Stone Guard. Let's do it. So these are the parts that we built yesterday. So these, how it is, yeah, these go into the body, and this one, it goes down on the part of the gas tank, and it's really solid. So we have 4 of these. I'm gonna grind them now. Yeah, this is the outcome on having a gas tank on our van. Here the connection, that's the filling, and this one is to open and close. For sure we're gonna spend less money than having the Campingaz. Job done. How much it cost? Well, the bottle itself was around £140 plus £12 for delivery. Then I spent around £25 to buy the zinc spray and the black spray. And then I think I spent around €25, because at that time when we test the shower and the gas tank, we were already in France for rubber seals, the water pipe, and a connection system for the water pipe, but it's only for the shower, so that's extra, so that really doesn't count the gas tank system. And then the last things I bought on eBay is a set of adapters. So there's different adapters. For example, it's one for France, Italy, and another one for Spain and Portugal, and another one for UK. The good thing is, if we plan to go outside Europe, will be even more easy to have this gas tank that work for the kitchen and the shower, instead going and finding the camping gas. Because for example in Morocco we stay 3 months, they don't even know what camping gas is, but they have a similar bottle, so actually it was less expensive to buy the local bottle. In Istanbul, I remember when we start traveling, they also have a 3 kilos bottle, but it kind of have a metal ring on the top, so every time what I need to do in order to put it on our system, it was to use a metal saw to cut a little part from that border, to use it, and then to put some glue and to put it back and to give it back and to swap it with a new bottle. Yeah, these are the things you do for love. That's it. I hope this video gives value to you, and if you did like it, put a thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't do yet. Check our movie Vanlife's Portrait of an Alternative Lifestyle. It's really good. And safe travels.